What's up YouTube and everyone watching this video? In this video today, I'm going over how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast and for free. If you're subscribed to my channel already, then you know what my channel is about. I really try to add value. If you're not subscribed to my channel is about business tutorials right over the shoulder, business advice from experience, and the mindset and personal development. If you like that type of stuff, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my weekly tutorials and videos. Now, I'm gonna jump right into this. How to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. Now, it's such a crazy topic because there's so many people out there that are just looking for vanity metrics. And what I mean by that is they want a YouTube channel or they want an Instagram account that just has a whole bunch of likes and followers, and they don't even care if it's real or not. And what I'm talking about here is how to get real people to subscribe to your account. And this is very important stuff, especially if you're running a business or you're trying to create a brand and an impact. Now, the first thing is first. If you're new to YouTube, or even if you're not new to YouTube and you have a channel, you need to really niche down. You really need to get specific on the topics you're going to talk about. So one, right here we'll put it, is niche specific. And this is very important. I have another video going over how to optimize your YouTube channel, and definitely check that out because I also speak about this. You want to optimize your YouTube channel so that YouTube and the algorithm of YouTube knows what your channel is about, knows all the time that you're putting out videos, what you're going to be speaking about, what you're an expert in, and what you're passionate about. You know, obviously on my channel, you can tell I'm very passionate about business, tutorials, things that I do every single day that I have experience with that I could speak about. So it's very important that you really know what you're talking about and that you get niche specific. So that's number one. Once you know what you're gonna optimize your channel around, number two is complete value. And you might be saying, what do you mean by complete value? By complete value, I mean you're going to be making videos like how to, just like this video, how to, tutorials, and this is huge with YouTube. I'm sure you found this video in YouTube by searching for a question you had on how to get 1,000 subscribers, right? If you look at my other videos, it's all tutorial based or how to do this. I'm giving real advice, again, on things that I actually use, I have experience with, and I really try to add as much value as I can from real experience. You know, I'm actually telling you my exact formula on how I got over 1,000 subscribers. I put in the work. I was making out content that I know about. I'm niche specific, and I'm giving complete value. I'm not holding anything back. I'm telling you this is how you do things. This is tutorials. You know, I get a lot of people asking me, hey James, this is my idea for YouTube. I'm thinking about, you know, filming myself doing these things every day or vlogging. And that's great. Vlogs are great. They're fun to watch. But if you really don't have a brand yet, you should be making how-to videos. And then once you build a big enough audience, 10,000 subscribers, 20,000, 30,000 subscribers, now you can start vlogging. More people are interested in what you're doing, right? More people will be interested in you. And also, you have enough leverage that the algorithm's gonna show your videos more. And what I mean by algorithm, YouTube has an algorithm. There's a ranking algorithm. And that's why it's very important that you're niche specific, you know what you're talking about, you're giving complete value because you want people not to click off and leave your videos. If you're making clickbaity videos, if they're not giving value, if they're not actually talking about what you say you're gonna be talking about, people are gonna leave. And YouTube does not like that. It's actually not good for the algorithm, and your videos are not going to rank well. Because the whole thing here, and we're gonna get into the third thing, is optimizing your video titles. So, optimizing videos. Number three. And when you're optimizing videos, I have other videos on this as well, but you want your titles, your descriptions, and your tags that you're putting on your video to all be optimized so it helps you be found for search terms. So if you go and you search in how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast and free, you can easily find my video ahead of other people's because I'm optimizing it correctly. Now there's other factors. Again, another factor is keeping you on the video. Another factor is engagements and comments and getting people to comment. And that all comes with the value of your video. And then also subscribers play a big part. So of course, if my channel has 250,000 subscribers, it's a lot more powerful in the algorithm of me outranking someone with only 500 subscribers. So this is more for longevity, this formula, but this formula works, and I can guarantee you, if you consistently put out videos, at a minimum 1 video per week, you will consistently get subscribers, especially if you're using these first 3 things as well. If you're optimizing your video titles, your description, your tags, you're very niche specific, your YouTube channel is optimized as well, and you're giving how-to and tutorials, and you're doing research. And when I mean my research, you want to use tools. I use tools like TubeBuddy. I use keywords everywhere. I have other videos on that as well. And I use a strategy of finding what people are looking for. If I know that people are looking for how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I already did that and I know how I did it, my formula, I can actually make a valuable base video on how to do that, share it with you guys, really go step by step and break it down on exactly what I did with no BS, and give you value. And this is what my channel is about. It's about a lot of social media, marketing, business, how to grow a brand, your personal brand, personal development. So it makes sense for me to pick this topic. It's aligned with my niche. I give complete value. It's a how-to. I optimize the videos. I did my research to figure out what people are looking for. Now, the 4th thing, and this is very important, is consistency. And again, if you're just looking for vanity metrics, if you're just looking to have 1,000 subscribers and you don't care about uploading videos, that's only gonna hurt you. I mean, you think you look cool for a day or whatever you're doing, but if you really wanna build something that's impactful, if you really wanna build a business, a brand, a real audience, if you wanna be able to actually monetize your channel like I did, and you need 1,000 subscribers to monetize your channel. You need 4,000 watch hours to monetize your channel. Otherwise, YouTube's not going to release that. And if you're not getting real subscribers and using a real value-based formula, they're not going to give you that. The fake subscribers are not going to work. So if you want to monetize your channel, you need to be following the right steps. And this is the formula. So consistency, and you want to do 1 video a week minimum. If you could do 2 or 3, you're just going to grow faster. This formula works better the more consistent you are. That also helps the algorithm because I get to look at not only my channel, but other clients' channels. So I see what's working. I really look at this stuff. I look at data analytics, so I know what's working. So 1 video a week minimum. So 1 video a week minimum you want to be uploading. Again, following this formula right in this row. And then number 5, once you upload your videos, you want to share them. And I think a lot of us forget about this. Share to Facebook, Instagram, and ask your family and friends to like, to share. You'll get some subscribers right there by just sharing this video and your videos to your Facebook and your friends. Wherever you have other friends and family, they're going to support you. And you need to share it, and you need to get likes and subscribers that way. And also, it's just good for the algorithm also to help you in the long run in ranking. The more you're getting other social presence and bringing people over to YouTube, it looks great for your channel, and people are going to like it. They're going to share it. People that you think wouldn't even share it, you're gonna have some friends and family that just start sharing it on their own, and that drives their other friends and family that might not even known you yet over to your channel as well. So it's a great thing to be sharing it on other social platforms. Asking for support from your friends and family is something that I think a lot of us forget. And if you already have a little bit of a business and you have an email list, share it to your email list. If you don't worry, but I also see businesses that have email lists and they're not sharing their content and getting people from their email list over to YouTube. But again, number 1 thing, if you're doing that, you have to be giving them complete value. The next thing is call to action. Call to action. And what I mean by CTA, call to action, is inside your videos, just like you see in all of my videos, I tell you what my channel's about. I tell you what to expect. I tell you that I'm gonna be giving you as much value as I can, and if you like that type of stuff, please subscribe. That's a call to action, and I have another video on that as well. Call to actions by just asking someone nicely and quickly, if you like this stuff, please subscribe down below so you don't miss any of this type of content. And you're niche specific and you're giving complete value, whoever's interested in your niche, they're going to subscribe, because why would they want to miss videos if you really know what you're talking about? If you have the experience, if you're really giving them and providing them value and it's real, I'm telling you, it's a call to action that you should be putting in your videos. It works. And here it's thumbnails. Thumbnails are so important. And if you look at some of my thumbnails, I try to make them catchy. So when someone sees the thumbnail, the first thing is getting them over to your channel. Especially if YouTube, if you're ranking and there's other videos alongside and above you, you want your thumbnail to stick out so someone goes, okay, what is this video about? And they click it. Now, that also goes along with being niche specific, optimizing your videos so that you're being found for specific terms they're getting searched for, and then adding complete value so they stay on your video. If you're making content in a niche and it's better than everyone else's content and people like you, they're going to subscribe and they're going to stay on your video. So thumbnails is the first thing, though, that you should be creating nicely so that they stick out. Sometimes maybe you want to make them colorful, and you could look at different competitors in your niche, anyone else that has thumbnails that are very catchy, and you could kind of understand how they should be created so that the caption's catchy and the colors are catchy. And I want to make it clear, so this is what's going to drive a click, right? If your thumbnail is catchy, it drives a click over to your video. Now, the reason why your video would even be found in the YouTube search or even sometimes page 1 of Google search for search terms is because, again, we're going back that you're optimizing your videos around words that are getting searched that you can provide value with, like how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, or how to create a YouTube thumbnail that stands out, right? These are all things that I can make videos around because I have experience in that. And then I would use tools like TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere and see if they're getting searched. And if they are, see if I can compete with them. And if I can, I make videos on them and I follow this formula. Now, a lot of times that I consult and coach people, they'll say, James, I have a video I want to make and I'm going to name it, and I'm just giving you an idea of what they would say. It would be like James visiting Paris. Now, the thing is this is, okay, I'm sure you going to Paris and you're vlogging and you're filming it might be nice, but no one's searching for James visiting Paris, right? Now, people may be searching for, if you have a travel channel, 5 things to do in Paris. You see how we have to think, and then we would use TubeBuddy and Keywords Everywhere to see if it's definitely getting searched and to see if we can compete. That's how you would title and optimize your videos. And then also, you should have a travel vlog if that's what you're going to be. Niche specific should be all about traveling or all about Paris, whatever it is. And I'll give you another example. If I was a mechanic and I started a YouTube channel about cars, I'd be very niche specific on mechanic tips. Maybe I'd call it mechanic tips. But I wouldn't, if the name of my business was James Mechanic Shop, I'm not going to title my video, and I see this done so many times, James Mechanic Shop Tip 1. Because no one's looking for James Mechanic Shop Tip 1. I would use tools and I would research and see, what do I know that I could add value? Maybe it's changing out a head gasket, and I don't know, I'm just making things up, right? That's the type of term that you want to go for and title your video. And you want to add complete value in that video and show them exactly, step by step, how to do it. So I hope that starts making sense. There's a formula here, and this is how you're going to grow. And the more videos you do around this formula, like if you're doing 3 or 4 a week, I can guarantee you that you're going to grow and you will hit 1,000 subscribers. Every niche is a little different, but you are going to grow. And that's the next thing that you have to have is a little patience. Sorry, my other marker ran out of ink, so I had to grab another one. So it's patience, having a little bit of patience. If you're going for vanity metrics and you're trying to look cool, then you're probably looking just to buy fake subscribers and fake followers, and which I do not recommend. that is not going to be impactful. That's not really how you grow a real brand and a real business. So if you want to really grow, you need to have some patience, especially if you're only doing one video a week, you need patience. If you follow this formula, the more videos you put out a week and you stay consistent, you want to be consistent, the bigger your audience is going to come. 9, you want to comment on other channels. Now, I'm not telling you to spam anyone or anything like that. What I'm telling you to do is this, and this works, is if I made a video on how to design a beautiful WordPress website, and somebody else that has similar subscribers to me, or even a little more, they made a video on one of the best WordPress plugins, I can, and if it's a plugin that I used on my WordPress design, I could go and comment over there and be like, great video. Especially, you want to find good videos though, if you're commenting on them and telling them, great video, really like the step-by-step. I actually use this WordPress plugin all the time. I actually use it too when I did my WordPress design tutorial over on my channel. This is one of my favorite plugins that I shared. Great video. Something like that, on the lines of that, where it complements their video, complements their channel, and their audience is a similar audience that'd be towards you. Now, I'm not telling you to go and leave the same comment all over the place and spam channels. It has to be able to fit in the right areas, if that makes sense. The channel needs to align with your channel. Their audience needs to align with your audience. So that's just another way to get a little bit of a boost, and also it's good for your channel to be commenting on other similar channels as well. And last but not least is analytics. And I mentioned this in one of my other videos as well, and so many people are not doing this, but YouTube has analytics. Once you start going and pumping out videos, you're going to be able to look at analytics, look at the data, and see what your audience likes. Where are they mostly coming from? What video is performing the best? What topic do they like? Wow, they like that video a lot? You might get 50,000 views on that video. Wow, that's a great topic. I need to make more videos around that topic. So you start to learn what your audience wants, right? So this is going to help you be able to make more videos that perform really well. And when videos are ranking and performing well, and you have a specific audience and you're giving value, you're going to get subscribers even faster. So these are my 10 tips. Again, if you follow this formula, I'm telling you, you will get subscribers. You just need to put in the work, stay consistent. I hope that helps. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you know anyone else that is trying to start a business or a YouTube channel, please share this with them. I put out weekly videos. I try to add as much value as I can, and I'll see you in the next video.